Exercise 1.1, sum number 2. Evaluate determinant of 3 minus 2, 4, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. So this is the given problem. First we have to compute the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix. So in the 3 by 3 matrix, first we have to take the form is plus minus plus. When the determinant, first we have to take 3. We have consider 3 means we have to delete the corresponding row and corresponding column. So remaining elements are 0, 1, 2, 3. Your formula is minus, again minus 2 into determinant of, leave it the corresponding column and corresponding row. Remaining elements are 2, 1, 1, 3 and plus, again we have to take the formula plus 4 into, leave it the corresponding column and corresponding row, 2, 0, 1, 2. Find the 3 into, find the determinant of cross calculation. 0 into 3 is 0, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, minus to minus plus 2, 2 into 3 6, minus 1 into 1 1, plus 4 into 2 into 2 4, minus 0. So 3 into minus 2 plus 2 into 5 plus 4 into 4, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, 2 into 5 is 10, 4 into 4 is 16. So plus 10 minus 6 plus 16 is 10, 10 plus 10 is 20. So this is the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix. Next sum number 3. Solve determinant of 2x3 416 127 equal to 0. So our aim is to find out x value when the determinant equal to 0. So first we have to compute the determinant which is equal to 0. So first we have to take the determinant form is plus minus plus. So first we have to take 2. So to leave it the corresponding column and corresponding row. So 1, 6, 2, 7. Formula is minus. So we have to put minus x. You take x. So delete the corresponding row and corresponding row and corresponding column. 4, 6, 1, 7. Again formula is plus 3. Delete the corresponding row and corresponding column. 4, 1, 1, 2 equal to 0. Again 2 into cross multiplication. 1 into 7 is 7. 2 into 6 minus 12. Minus x into 4 into 7 is 28. Minus 1 into 6 6. Plus 3 into 4 into 2 is 8. 1 into 1 is 1 equal to 0. 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. Minus x into 22 is minus 22x. 3 into 7 is 21 equal to 0. So minus 22x is fixed. Minus 10 plus 21 is plus 11 equal to 0. So minus 22x plus 11 equal to 0. Minus 22x equal to plus 11 can be taken in right hand side is minus 11. Minus minus cancel. X equal to 11 by 22. So 11 2 times. So value is 1 by 2 is the final answer. Let us move to problem number 4. Find determinant of AB if A equal to 3 minus 1 2 1 and B equal to 3 0 1 minus 2. In this problem, first we have to compute the AB value and then compute the determinant. That's all. So first we have to multiply A and B. So A equal to 3 minus 1 2 1, B equal to 3 0 1 minus 2. We have to compute the matrix multiplication for A and B. So we have to first fix A and then fix B. Matrix multiplication is first row is multiplying by first column. 3 into 3, 3 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1 into 1. 3 into 3 plus minus 1 into 1. Again 2 into 3 plus 1 into 1. First one is over. Again 3 into 0 plus minus 1 into minus 2. Next one 2 into 0 and 1 into minus 2. So next line 3 into 3 9, 1 into minus 1 comma 3 into 0 is 0, minus into minus plus, so value is 2, again 2 into 3 is 6, 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 0 is 0, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, so 9 minus 1 is 8, 0 plus 2 2, 6 plus 1 7, 0 minus 2 minus 2. So this is the matrix multiplication value of A and B. Finally we have to compute the determinant of AB. Determinant of AB can be taken as in this result can be taken as determinant of AB equal to determinant of 8 to 7 minus 2. Find out the cross calculation. 8 into minus 2 is minus 16. Again minus 2 into 7 is minus 14. It's a matrix determinant of this result. So determinant of AB equal to minus 16 minus 14 equal to minus 30. Hence the problem. Again move to problem number 5. Solve determinant of 7 4 11 minus 3 5 x minus x 3 1 determinant equal to 0. When the determinant equal to 0, our aim is to find out the x value for this problem. So same procedure, we have to apply the form plus minus plus. So first we have to take 7, remaining elements are 5x 3 1. Again formula is minus, so minus 4 into, leave it the corresponding row and corresponding column, minus 3x minus x 1 and plus 11 into, delete the corresponding row and corresponding column, so minus 3 5 minus x 3 equal to 0. It implies 7 into 1 into 5 5, 3 minus 3 into x 3x minus 4 into minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, minus x into, already one minus is there, so minus x into minus x is plus x square, plus 11 into minus 3 into plus 3 is minus 9, minus of minus 5x, minus of minus 5x is plus 5x equal to 0. So 7 into 5 35, 7 into minus 3x minus 21x, minus to minus plus, so 12, 4 minus 4 into x square is minus 4x square plus minus 99 plus 55x equal to 0. First we have to take the leading power is, this is the leading power, so minus 4x square is first. Next this is minus 21x, this is 55x, so 55x minus 21x is 34 plus 34x. Finally we got to take the constant term, minus 99 plus 12 plus 35, the value is minus 52 equal to 0. So all the values are dividing throughout by 2, so dividing throughout by minus 2, so first term is negative. Try to make it as a first term is positive, easily get the value. So dividing throughout by minus 2 for all the values. So minus 4 by minus 2 is 2x square, 34 by minus 2 minus 17x, and minus 52 by minus 2 is plus 26 equal to 0. So in this, this is the quadratic equation. This quadratic equation we have to apply the quadratic formula, we will easily get the final answer. So the quadratic form is ax square plus bx plus c. This is the quadratic form. The quadratic form, we are comparing the quadratic form as well as the problem. So a equal to 2, b equal to minus 17, c equal to 26. The quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. So already a equal to 2, b equal to minus 17, c equal to 26. This can be applying in this formula. X equal to, formula is minus b, but the value is minus to minus plus. So plus 17 plus or minus square root of b square is minus 17 square minus, formula is minus 4, a is 2, c is 26 by 2 into a. 2 into a is 2 into 2. Next line. 17 plus or minus square root of minus 17 square is 289 minus 4 into 2 8, 8 into 26 208 by 4. Again 17 plus or minus square root of 289 minus 208 is root 81 by 4. Which is equal to 17 plus or minus root 81 is 9. 9 into 9 is 81. So root 81 is 9 by 4. So we have to obtain two values. One is plus or minus. So first value is 17 plus 9 by 4 is first value. 17 minus 9 by 4 is the second value. So 17 plus 9 is 26 by 4. 17 minus 9 is 8 by 4. So the x value is cross out by second two tables, 13 by 2. Second value 4 by 8 is 2. So the final answer is, we have to obtain two values. This is the quadratic form. So x equal to 13 by 2 and x equal to plus 2. So these two are the solutions of this given problem.